Hi everyone, this is module number 57 for the subject of strategic human resource management. Based on the Michigan framework and the Harvard framework of human resource management, the two frameworks that were emerged in the early 1980s, researchers and practitioners, particularly in the United Kingdom, were more concerned about the hard and soft approaches to HRM. In this module, we will talk about the hard approach to the SHRM and the soft approach to the SHRM. The research about the strategic human resource management slightly vary in the United Kingdom, whereas the United States or research in the United States, though they were the dominantly producing theories about human resource management, or they are still producing theories of human resource management. The concern about the United Kingdom is coming from their main research and their database, that is CIPD, the Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development. Anyway, coming to the point and making it short, what is the hard approach to HRM and the soft approach to HRM? As I said in the past, the Michigan model is associated with the hard approach to HRM. The people as a resource to be deployed in order to maximize performance. This is the central premise in the Michigan model or the Michigan framework. Let's see it again. What it is? It suggests people as resources to be deployed in order to maximize performance. So, according to this model, people are resource or people as a resource. And we said in the couple of modules in the past that whether to think about as a human as a resource or you think about human as a capital, it's a slightly different, however, may make a big difference in the long run how you treat your employees. According to this model, people don't play that much role in the effectiveness of the organizational productivity or in the performance of the organization. This is something which is readily available in the market. You can purchase it like the other commodity or the other stuff. People should have skills, knowledge, and abilities. This is not something which organization has the entire responsibility to develop. However, there is a significant component of training, but the general assumption is that it is the people who can be manipulated, or the people of the organization can be used or can be directed to enhance the performance of the organization. They should be rewarded if they perform, regardless of the factors. So, in other words, if you remember the Harvard framework, we are not talking about the situational factors and we are not talking about the stakeholders' interest, something missing in the Michigan model. The soft approach to HRM, the Michigan, as I said, that it is based on the hard approach to HRM. On the other hand, the Harvard framework suggests or believes in the soft approach to HRM. So, associated with the HRM model as the human side of the organization, when we say about the human side of an organization, obviously this is something about when we want to see how we should treat or how organizations should treat their employees, personnels. So, focus on gathering loyalty and commitment in order to raise performance or performance levels. In other words, the Harvard framework, it suggests that if an organization wants to improve the performance, the quality of the products, or they want to reduce, or if an organization wants to reduce the cost of the production, the route to the success is from the organizations or through the employees of the organizations. The skills and abilities people possess, but they will not give you their best unless organization is not thinking about the commitment of the employees or the capability of the employees or the willingness of the employees to insert or to put efforts to reduce the cost of the production or to enhance the quality of the products. In other words, when we talk about the soft approach to HRM, we are answering the question how. How organizations can enhance the performance, how organizations can enhance the quality of the product, how organizations can compete. According to the soft approach, the how in this equation centers on the human resource management. Thank you.